Welcome to this in-depth look at OYO rooms. If you've ever searched for budget accommodations online, you've likely come across OYO. It claims to offer affordable hotel rooms in thousands of locations, often with same-day booking and deep discounts. But is it really as good as it seems? Let's walk through the entire process and experience. Starting with the OYO website, the homepage is pretty user-friendly. You can search for rooms by city, check-in date, and the number of guests. Filtering options include budget, amenities like Wi-Fi or AC, and even whether the hotel is couple-friendly. It all looks promising on the surface. When I tried booking a room in Delhi, I was shown over 200 results. However, not all properties matched the filters. Some listed free Wi-Fi, but later reviews mentioned it didn't work. Clicking into a listing gives you basic details, photos, reviews, and pricing. One recurring issue is that the photos can be outdated or staged. The room you get might look quite different in person. The booking process itself is smooth. You can apply promo codes, and OYO often displays big discounts. However, those discounts are sometimes misleading. The base prices are inflated so the final price looks cheaper than it actually is compared to other platforms. Payment options are wide, including pay at hotel. But this is where things can go wrong. In my experience, even with a confirmed booking, the hotel sometimes didn't honor the reservation or claimed it was full. This seems to be a frequent issue according to other user reviews as well. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another thing worth noting is the condition of the rooms. Out of the 4 OYO properties I personally stayed in, only 2 matched the cleanliness and amenities promised. One hotel lacked proper sheets, the other had a non-functional air conditioner. Customer service is hit or miss. Sometimes they'll intervene and move your booking, other times they're completely unreachable. The mobile app mirrors the site with a slightly smoother experience. It's easier to manage bookings and look up directions. But even here, the support options are limited. If something goes wrong during your stay, don't expect fast help through the app. Still, OYO can be useful. If you're traveling on a tight budget, need a room quickly, and don't mind some unpredictability, it might suit you. Just don't rely solely on the photos or descriptions. Check recent reviews, and always call the property before you arrive to confirm your booking is honored. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.